Capricorn, I'm sensing some trouble at work. It's stressing you out. I feel like there was an argument between you and someone who is jealous of you. This may be a subordinate. It may also be a boss. And basically you see them as someone that is evil. They're constantly just giving off this weird vibe. Okay, so it's put you in this weird state of just feeling uneasy. 5 of Spears, Page of Wands, Ace of Swords, the Tower, 10 of Wands. Okay, so I feel like you're going to deal with the situation very quickly. So it's going to end well for you. Whether you get a promotion or this person gets fired or quits, whatever is going on right now is not going to be something that you have to deal with in the very near future. So you can start to sort of dismiss this energy. These people are lost. They're looking for somebody to gravitate towards to make sense of their lives, their chaotic lives and existence. And so another thing that I'm feeling about this energy is work systematically, not optimistically. So you might have had some disappointments, some upsets, like you wanted something or you had your mind set on something that didn't follow through. And just kind of take it in stride. Like, don't waste any time trying to figure out what you did wrong. It just happens. Like, you win some, you lose some, basically, is what I'm feeling. I'm picking up from this energy specifically. To just keep moving. And, you know, you'll have more opportunities. Focus on your end goal. Just in this situation. Your end goal does not stop with this hiccup. Knight of Swords. Okay, so you're building something here. You're putting in a lot of work. I have depressed. But this isn't... this depression that you're feeling is temporary. It just comes from maybe working too hard. You're going to take a break soon. But you got the Sun card twice. You got the Star card, Lovers. I just feel like whatever this one negative entity that's coming in and sort of ruining your spread is just not that deep. Look at what they're doing. I mean, this is a problem for them. This is not your problem. They cause issues in their own lives, and unfortunately, you have to be a witness to that. But it's not your job to fix their problems. Not their personal issues, you know, not at work. I'm feeling like this situation is a professional environment. You got the Lovers card twice. You're focused on your family. You're focused on building your career, which may not start or stop at this place you're at right now. You could be branching off and doing much more. Yeah, you're really building a nest here. And it's very cunning in a way because not many people know about it. But I feel like you're galloping towards this future, this bright future. So you're looking for some ideas right now, some inspiration on basically trying to escape, trying to get justice for this coworker possibly that's kind of irritating you. Or somebody you're working with closely. You got the Tower card twice. It's coming down. It's ending soon. Knight of Wands. Yeah, it's crashing down. Even if it's a boss, I feel like the whole administration is going to be replaced. So your focus should be on where you're going from here on a personal level. Like, even something like, what's your next car? What's your next house? Where is it going to be located? You know, what sort of amenities are a must have? Things like this. Like, just think in a positive direction, because that's where you're headed. And you want to be prepared. Success. You already gave. Now it's time for you to reap what you sowed. Ace of Pentacles is the beginning. It may seem like a small token, but it's a seed that you're planting. This is the judgment day. You did the work. So I feel like you're really up against what looks like to be resistance, but they're about to step aside. Anybody that's in your way is going to move aside. So just stay prayed up. You know, put your wish list out there in the universe, what you want. And even if you don't get everything that's on that list, remember what is working towards the bigger picture here.